Hello guys, in this video I'll show you how to connect your Game Cyclone 2 controller to a Windows PC or laptop using Bluetooth. Carefully follow each step and your controller will pair without any issues. Start by putting your Game Cyclone 2 controller into pairing mode. Press and hold the B button together with the home button until the LED indicator starts glowing blue. Next, press the additional button combination shown on the controller until the LED begins blinking rapidly. This indicates that the controller is now in Bluetooth pairing mode. On your Windows PC or laptop, open Settings. Go to Bluetooth and Devices. Then click Add Device. Select Bluetooth from the list of available device types. Wait for your controller to appear in the list of nearby Bluetooth devices. The controller may appear as Wireless Controller or Game Cyclone 2 depending on your system. Tap or click the correct device to begin pairing. Wait a few seconds while Windows completes the connection. Once paired successfully, the device status will show connected. You'll also notice that the controller's LED changes from blinking to a steady light, confirming that the connection has been established successfully. Your Game Cyclone 2 controller is now connected to your PC or laptop and is ready to use in supported games. If this tutorial helped you, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel and leave a comment below. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next one.